Road trip coming up? Nice. You pack snacks, sunglasses, a playlist, and enough beef jerky to survive a minor apocalypse. But before you hit the highway, let's do a quick check. But if you skip this one check first, your vacation could turn into a roadside documentary called Why Is My Car Smoking in Tennessee?
Before any long drive, the first thing every driver should do is a quick under the hood and around the car road trip check.
Before you drive, check these four: oil, brake fluid, coolant, and battery. Quick check now saves big trouble later. Before you drive anywhere, always do a quick walk around. Check your tires, lights, mirrors, and look for anything unusual. 1 minute now can save you a big problem later.
It only takes a few minutes, and it can prevent overheating, battery trouble, transmission stress, and expensive breakdowns.
Because the fastest way to ruin a weekend is to discover your car had a problem. 3 states too late.
A lot of drivers assume if the car starts, it must be fine. That's not always true.
A low coolant level, worn belt, weak battery, or leaking hose can stay quiet during short local drives, then fail on a long trip. Highway speeds, hot weather, stop-and-go traffic, mountain roads, and full passenger loads all expose weak parts fast. Translation: your car can act totally normal on Monday and then throw a dramatic mechanical tantrum halfway to Florida.
And the worst part? Many of those issues show warning signs before you leave, if you know what to check. Start with the basics: engine oil and coolant. Pull the dipstick and make sure the oil level is in the safe range. Oil protects internal engine parts like pistons, bearings, and moving components from excessive heat and friction.
If the oil is too low, the engine works harder and runs hotter. That's a bad combination on a long highway drive. No coolant means your engine goes from family road trip to portable volcano real quick. Check number 2, coolant and radiator. Let's see what's up. Twist it open, check the levels. Stay safe, enjoy the ride. Look around the radiator area and hoses. If you see cracks, leaks, crusty residue, or swollen rubber hoses, don't ignore it. That cooling system is what keeps the engine from overheating.
Also inspect the belts. Belts help drive important components, including the alternator. A weak or cracked belt can leave you with battery charging issues or accessory failure. Now check the battery terminals. If there's corrosion, looseness, or visible buildup, that can affect starting and charging.
The alternator keeps the battery charged while the vehicle runs. If the charging system is weak, your headlights, electronics, and ignition system can all suffer. So yes, your car can be driving perfectly right until it suddenly decides, actually, no. That's why Checkwa 3 is battery and alternator. Clean terminals, tight belts, Zane's got you covered.
If your vehicle allows transmission fluid inspection, check the level and condition according to the owner's manual. Your transmission depends on clean fluid to keep gears shifting smoothly.
Heat is the enemy of transmissions. Road trips create heat. If fluid is low or degraded, that's when problems show up.
Then walk around the car. Check tire pressure, tread condition, and any visible damage. Underinflated tires hurt fuel economy and increase blowout risk.
Also check the brakes, lights, and windshield washer fluid. If you're driving through summer bugs, dust, or rain, visibility matters. And please don't start a 600-mile road trip with one headlight and blind optimism.
Here's the easiest road trip routine. Give yourself a 5-minute pre-trip check. Check the oil, check the battery, check the belts, and the tires.
Use this order: 1, oil; 2, coolant; 3, battery; 4, belts and hoses; 5, tires; 6, lights and wipers.
If anything looks low, leaking, cracked, loose, or unusual, fix it before leaving.
And if you don't know what you're looking at, that's okay. A quick inspection at a local shop is still way cheaper than a tow truck, a hotel bill, and explaining to your family why the fun road trip is now a parking lot picnic. A good road trip starts in the driveway. not on the highway shoulder.
So the first road trip check every American driver should do is a quick, full pre-trip inspection. Especially oil, coolant, battery, hoses, belts, tires, and transmission condition.
5 minutes of checking can prevent hours of waiting and hundreds, sometimes thousands in repairs.
Because your road trip budget should go to burgers, gas, and dumb souvenir magnets, not a surprise radiator disaster in the middle of nowhere. And if you want more smart car tips with less mechanic nonsense and more mechanic cats, subscribe to Mechanic Cats AI.
Subscribe to Mechanic Cats AI. Next video. What to check on your car before summer heat destroys it.